Probably the biggest county in Ontario, I think they say.
Well, you know, never gonna be fucking counted.
What a hairy
No
bastard I am.
here to where the fucking, like,
What? What's happening with my phone, man? I'm trying to lower the volume of the radio. Anyway, I'm off out to pick up my migraine medication. Well, I thought I was recording, but no, I wasn't. I was in the back lane there, on the way to a local pharmacy to pick up my migraine medication, and the back lane on the other side of these buildings is blocked off because of some work going on. I just don't feel myself today. Can I feel you instead? So I'm just off to a local pharmacy to pick up my migraine medication, and that's the town hall clock chiming away. I need everything sorted. Is that Penny? Nah, it's not her. Yeah, because I'm off to Manchester for the weekend. I thought the road was completely blocked off. It's massively open there. Hopefully you can see that. It's dark on my screen right now. And there is also basically a way to get through up that back lane. So I went the other way around, thinking that it was still completely closed off. Oh, jeez. I could have simply just walked straight through there. Ah, bollocks, I'm recording using the wrong side of this phone. There, the inside camera. Yes, I put my hood down. Compared to or like in reference to earlier. So no name and slash or address given away, but got me migraine medication, sumatriptan, which I can't live without because of how extreme migraine attacks are. These are powerful things. I mean, like, with how much they help me out. You only have like 6 tablets. Only 6. They're not like painkillers. Well, they are somewhat of a painkiller, but they are not designed to stop pain. Sumatriptan, the best thing for migraine attacks. Genuine migraines, not just simple bloody headaches. It's like my life's mission to let people know that migraine attacks are not simply headaches. I like it there, actually. A nice sort of, not a backdrop, like a border. I could take a photo with that sort of thing. I don't know, my mind's pretty much all over the place. But yay, medication. That is a big weight off my mind, because I need these. If a migraine attack starts, I'm basically dead without them. So off to Manchester this weekend. Gonna be cool. It's gonna be a hell of an adventure for me. Really looking forward to it. But over the next couple or so days, I need to get myself sorted, have a clear frame of mind, and enjoy the journey down there. Bloody out of breath now. I haven't been working out for a long time. Bloody exhausted. As I've been refurbishing this laptop a bit at a time, I'm certainly in no rush to have this completed. This is Alan. Nope, just got a message from your mum there. Excuse me, mum, but I am making a video. Trevor Noah. Nice. Great comedian. So, yeah, pretty filthy laptop screen. But I caught Alan eclectic beard reactions. I caught him doing something that he should not be doing while watching the England versus Germany game. Did you see that? Dirty boy. Nah, it must be a fan just wafting the sleeve of his t-shirt. Well, there's the chat anyway. Not very lively, and I can't watch the England game live for myself. I can show you the current score. Still 0-0. Let's refresh this just in case. UEFA Euro 2020, round 16, still 0-0. But dirty boy. It's just gone on 2-0. 88 minutes through. I think that's what the number's for anyway. Jeez, I really do need to clean this laptop screen. But yeah, 2-0 so far in the closing stages of this game. Well over 3 minutes into extra time, England has clearly won. Even though I don't follow football, there you go, full time. 2-0 England. You lot can fuck right off. It was at this point I knew I fucked up. I'm really sorry. It was me that triggered the fire alarm. I was simply doing some toast and, well, that old toaster has to go in the bin. I simply burnt toast. So now the concierge staff in this, for this building need to come out and switch it off. I'm really shaky. It's like, I feel so guilty. Accidents do happen. But the other residents in this building are not happy with me. Shit. How much can I cringe at myself? Oh, the fire brigade even came out. The other residents are gonna absolutely fucking hate me. Just so much cringe. I triggered the alarm off. Look, the light's still red. Just because of doing toast. I'll never live this down, I think it's called. Shit.